In this clip I'm going to launch a Vagrant configuration, which is starting a virtual machine with Oracle Linux 7.9, and afterwards this VM is up and running. We'll launch a provision shell script which will install Oracle database 12c, and in this database we'll we'll connect, and in Oracle instance we'll create an Oracle database. In this moment, the Vagrant setup it's uploading the zip file which contains the Oracle binaries archived. This is the Vagrant file which it's uploading. This is a line in the Vagrant config which is uploading the binaries, archived binaries, and then this is the first line in the provision shell script. This is the provision shell script, and the first line is to install Oracle dependencies. Now it's installing, and afterwards it's running the unzip script. This one, it's running the unzip, and then it's running the run installer in silent mode. Okay, unzip, starting the instance, please wait. Okay, the last line couldn't create a database because I forgot to put a wait in the script. I have to put a wait for 10-20 seconds in order that the database instance is up and running, and afterwards to create the database, to launch the database creation shell script. But I'm going to execute it manually, the last script. I'm going to connect in the Vagrant virtual machine. Okay, I'm on the Oracle user. Let me check ps-if pipe Aura. As we can see, there are a lot of Oracle processes. Okay. And let me go to the scripts folder, cd Oracle scripts, copy, paste. So now let me execute the last script. To create the database. This is the command silent installation. Which basically it's creating the database. The first database in the Oracle instance. This is the command. This was the command run installer in silent mode, which basically installed the Oracle binaries, and afterwards this is the second part, which is creating the command dbca, which basically it's create the instance.
And so we do have a rule that patients really appreciate the human, and they really want to see that.
Creating and starting Oracle instance.
Balance between giving enough that patients feel listened to and feel that you understand them while still protecting yourself. And actually, I think that that's something that we need to be teaching medical students much more, because the difficulties with the wall versus the human are essentially one of the reasons why we think so many doctors have mental health problems, because it is such a difficult balance. But patients really do seem to appreciate the fact that I truly understand. Now, of course, it's still about them, it's not about me, but just
35 complete.
to make a real difference.
It's 54%. Before I had some problems with the script, and I had to escape $sign, and that's why before each $sign in the script it's a slash. It's a backslash before each $sign, in order that in the actual script it appears the $sign. So it's complete. Let me check Oracle processes, and now it looks a little bit nicer. So we have the processes, Oracle processes, and then let me execute SQL plus as system DBA, and I'm connected into the Oracle database. Okay. Let me check the database name. So it's prod. Okay. So this is the database name. Basically, this is what I wanted to show for today. One more thing. ATC release. So as we can see, we have in the host virtual machine, it's Oracle Linux 7.9, and then if I get logout on the host operating system, we have Ubuntu Linux 24 long transport. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye.